What's up, beautiful people? Today's video is gonna be all about the greenhouse I got. We're building it inside because it's too cold outside. Plus, I'm not sure if it comes with little anchors to put it into the ground. So, I don't want it to blow away before we get those. But this is what it's gonna look like once it's built. This is what I'm starting my seeds in, and I'm really excited about it. Also, in case you can't tell, I'm hands-free, and you can actually see what's going on here, and you're not at a really horrible angle. I got a stand, guys. I got a stand! So anyway, we're gonna get into building this greenhouse. You're probably gonna see little people because we have little people here, and they kind of get into everything. So here's hoping they don't knock you guys over, because that would be interesting. Anywho, we're gonna go ahead and read these instructions, and then we're gonna get to building. See you guys in a minute. Yep. Alright, you guys, so that was the greenhouse build. We're not going to put the plastic on it because we still have to transport it outside, and I don't want it to rip. Like, it's like heavy duty plastic, but still I don't want it to rip when we move it outside. And I was right, it did not come with anchors to go in the ground, so we're gonna have to buy some of those, or maybe my mom has some extra still from her greenhouse. But yeah, let's go ahead and flip y'all. So hold on, don't mind the messy house, we live here. So you've got your first shelf, second shelf, third, one all the way at the bottom. And yeah, it looks pretty good. It's cheap material, so I don't know how well it's gonna last, but I also know that we're probably not gonna live here forever, and I don't want to build a permanent greenhouse here because we're not gonna live here for forever. So this is gonna get us through until we find our forever home, our forever property, and can build a permanent one. Once did our little helper pull the stand over, did she?